This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by working with hair that's clean and slightly dry because moisture delays locking. First, divide into 1 2-inch sections. You want consistent sizes so locks form evenly. Use clips to keep sections separate while you work. Apply a small amount of residue-free light oil to the scalp to prevent itch and flaking, but keep shafts dry so hair tangles better. Once done, double-check section uniformity. Thicker sections form chunkier freeform dreads. Choose size intentionally. You now start purposely encouraging tangles using backcombing near the root, because that creates the internal knotting that sustains a dread. Insert a fine-tooth comb into the section and push toward the scalp in short strokes, then palm roll the area tightly. This compacts hairs and speeds maturing. Once you have initial knots, stop aggressive combing and switch to palm rolling for 20-30 seconds per lock every few days. Make sure to let natural shedding and matting happen. Over-manipulation undoes progress. You enter the long game, maturation. Continue palm rolling and resist daily fussing, because consistent gentle pressure encourages uniform cores. Wash every 1 to 2 weeks with a residue-free shampoo and always squeeze, not rub, to preserve knots. Make sure to dry thoroughly to prevent mildew. If a lock starts loosening, re-backcomb at the root and secure with a small rubber band for 24 to 48 hours, because this re-establishes tension. Finally, trim only stray frizz. Overcutting interrupts maturity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.